Amazon takes a portion of the commissions for themselves as a fee. That portion you never see. Go directly to sellers for better commissions. Hey guys, don't forget to download your free copy of this traffic driving guide below. Let's talk about Annie's Craft Store. Annie's Craft Store sells some great craft-related products. Annie's offers products like crochet, knitting, needlework, stitch guides, and classes products. I would rank it as a terrific addition to most affiliate portfolios. Think about it. Craft product-related keywords are searched more than 135,000 times per month. The average sell is around $40. Affiliates receive 30% per sell. Using related keywords, you could place your affiliate link in spots with some major traffic. Download this free guide below to learn how to drive more traffic to your affiliate links so you can make more money and get your keywords from the resource below as well.